All right, so the next part of filling out our NHS enrollment packet that we're going to look at is examples of leadership. Here's an area where you have to have at least one entry in order for your packet to be complete and to be considered for National Honor Society. If you have more examples, that's great. You can list them here, but you need at least one activity that you can put here. And we're looking for a time where you were a leader anytime from the summer before 9th grade all the way up to last year, including the summer before now. So nothing that you're enrolled in this semester, but anything before that could count. So take a look at all the clubs that you might be involved in. See if there's something there where you were a leader in. Maybe you were part of ASB. And then you put an X in the box where the semester is that you participated in that officer position. Maybe you volunteered at your church over the summertime for Vacation Bible School and you were in charge of an age group at a table and you helped them do their Vacation Bible School stuff. Well, then you could put that down. That's a leadership example, and you put down when you did that. And if it's over the summer, you can put an X right on the line to kind of show that it was over the summer. If you were a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout, again, you're thinking about something where you took a leadership role. So maybe you were working on a badge that required you to enlist other scouts or other community members to help you complete a project. Then you could put that down as your leadership and include documentation. And again, you would want to mark down which semester you took part in that. And if it was on a summer, you put it on the line in between the two semesters. So think about, there had to have been a time where you took a leadership role in something. Maybe you attended a student leadership conference. Maybe you were a band section leader. Maybe you just took part in a community project where you decided to plant a garden at your elementary school. Whatever that was, document it here, check it off, and then we'll want to also have you verify it. So by verifying, we're talking about needs to be on letterhead. So if this was something that was done maybe through your church, you would want to get them and ask them to write a letter for you that says that you were in charge, that you had a leadership role, or there's an on-campus form, and that's what we're going to look at next. So let's go look at an on-campus form, and this is already included in your packet. This is basically what it looks like here. And you fill in your name, what it was, the grade or the semester, and you have the advisor fill in here what they actually are verifying for you, and they sign it and they put their phone number. This can be the extension that they're at on campus, so they could say their extension 240, that's my extension. Okay, if it's off campus though, keep in mind that you definitely want to have that on letterhead or it doesn't count. Don't have them fill out this form if it's not a campus person that we can just pick up the phone and hit their extension and double check with them. So this gets us points as well. In leadership, if it was something that you took part of it for an entire school year, that could be 4 points. If you took part in it only for a semester, that's 2 points. And if it was for a shorter term option, less than a semester, that's going to be 1 or more points depending on how many hours it actually took. Maximum points for this one would be 16 points. So if you hit 16 points, then stop. There's another place where we can put some more stuff if you've got more. 16 is the max that you can put under leadership, and in the next video we'll go over to service.